Welcome to ISTV English News for the top story at this hour. Manipur DGP MK Das retires from police service today. Farewell parade held at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifle Parade Ground. And international models to participate in the second edition of Manipur Fashion Extravaganza to be held in January next year. Now the news in detail. DGP MK Das IPS retired from the police service today. A ceremonial farewell parade of the DGP was organized by Manipur Police at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground this morning. Officials of the police department attended the farewell parade of DGP. 11 contingents of civil police, Manipur Rifles, IRB, BDF, MPTC, Home Guard and the bands of 1st and 2nd Manipur Rifles and MPTC took part in the parade and paid guard of honor to the DGP. The parade was commanded by 2nd Manipur Rifles CO Phongmai Gonglin IPS. The DGP MK Das, an IPS officer of Manipur Tripura cadre of 1977 batch, hails from Bishnupur, Dehori in Bihar. He took the charge of DGP from the month of September. Managing Director Manipur Police Housing Corporation Said Ahmed IPS, who will succeed him, gifted him a memento of Nupilal complex. Speaking in both Manipuri and English, MK Das expressed gratitude not only to the Manipur Police but also to the people of Manipur and thanked the state government led by Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and Deputy Chief Minister Gakhangam for accepting his suggestion to maintain transparency in the functioning of the department. He however expressed his regret that due to the short tenure of his service as DGP, he could not serve up to the mark as he desired.
Manipur Police ki Personal Singi, Lungsingba, Amasung, Mateng, Aina, Kaujari. Masiki Damak, Mayam, Umnamakpu, Hanna, Tarakari. Mayam, Unnamakna, Afawa, Tabak, Tobiduna, Manipur Police Pu, Chokat, Hansi, Kurumjari. I thank all of you. God bless you.
DGP MK Das asserted that he will continue to serve the country even when he is not in uniform. Speaking to the media at his chamber at Manipur Police headquarters, he said the media of Manipur is very helpful to him and he got enormous cooperation from them during his short tenure. Moreover, he said that the love and kindness of Manipuri people will never fade from his memory and he is willing to visit Manipur again and again as his mother's last rites were performed in Manipur.
My job as the police chief has been to listen to whatever complaint or information or suggestion which was being given to me and to see how it can best be utilized for improving the functioning of the police as a whole and winning the confidence of the public who are the ultimate masters actually. We as public servants, we live to serve them. I live to serve our country and countrymen. This is a slogan which I have given to be incorporated on all police buildings across the state. All my adult life I have given to serving the people. I still feel young enough to serve the country in some other manner. From tomorrow when I am not in uniform does not mean that my love for the Manipur Police will fade away. It will never fade away.
The second edition of Manipur Fashion Extravaganza will be held on 11th January next year at the 1st Manipur Rifles Ground. Well-known international designers are taking part in the extravaganza, which will be the biggest of its kind in Northeast India. Manipuri fashion stylist Robert Naurim, who is playing a big role in organizing the fashion show, told the media in Manipur Press Club today that altogether 16 international as well as Indian models, including 2008 Miss World runners-up, Parvati, will display the traditional Manipuri clothes walking on a 80-feet ramp in the show. He also said London Fashion Week choreographer Nadim Salim and Blenders Pride choreographer MS Sridhar will also participate in the extravaganza, which will showcase the beautiful handloom products of Manipur.
Mapandagi meeting do ina porak matamda akoi culture gi feel do matamda akoi firon do mapana seluga khena bayam thin lei akoi gi leipak lai how selak matamda tongan firon do gi phasaba tongan ma thole aduna laiba meeting do makoi gi chatnabi aina kai mo ta tamda leiti neither akoi manipuri not ki ba chatnabi kain ga da bas leiti adubu makoi ne chakhi matamda akoi gi phasaba akoi culture tradition mayam da makoi ne pura chakhi ba basa sigi pandam da aina mapan gi internationally thakta internationally involved toraga miyam whoever entire team of Masemaga Aina source brought up Lamdanba, a book of poems written by Yankom Injira in the Meitei Mek and published by Patriotic Writers Forum, was released today by the former president of the forum, Sagolsam Indrakumar Singh, at Manipur Press Club. Speaking on the occasion, Injira expressed her happiness at the publication of her book written in Meitei Mek and shared her embarrassment while writing using scripts of another language. Sajo Chenglai spoke about the book. PHED Water Supply Project Construction Division has informed the public that there will be no water supply in the various areas under Porompar Water Treatment Plant till 5th December due to technical problems at Iril Intake Turbine Pump. Welcome back. Torch rally supporting the protest by outlaw Maoists against the conceding of Manipur land to Myanmar by Government of India without the consent of Manipuri people was held at different places last night. The rally was simultaneously organized at Kanchipur, Kawa, Khurai Laire Mulaikai, Dinku Road, Korengai Luang Sangbam, Wabagai, Mayang Impal, Nongada and Sekta by women Mera Paibis. The protesters carried placards displaying their anger and dissatisfaction. Before we wind up, here is the headlines once again. Manipur DGP NK Das retires from police service today. Farewell parade held at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifle Parade Ground. And international models to participate in the 2nd edition of Manipur Fashion Extravaganza to be held in January next year. Thank you for watching ISTV News. Stay tuned for more news update.